I think it's important that we are so consistent. From that time, ever since the president pronounced this day, we have been consistent as a country. And all we need to do is for us to make sure that at least we observe. We really need to understand what it really means. It means that there is need for us as a country to really be able to move into the president's vision, a vision which says that we want a clean Zimbabwe. And the clean Zimbabwe has to be done by us making sure that we implement the president's vision. So for me, I really think that this is a great opportunity for us as a country where we need to go and be able to live in having a clean Zimbabwe. And we need to make sure that we observe this day and we continuously work on the president's vision. We also want to appreciate the efforts of our First Lady, who is the ambassador of the environment. And she has been very clear, she has been very consistent. And this alone means that we just need to take it over home. We need to make every citizen of Zimbabwe know that we need to observe a clean Zimbabwe. Who then should be able to claim someone else's debt? Or I would say, when one is dropped any debt down, would you expect to do that for? So you need to be responsible enough to make sure that you take that debt and you put it where it's supposed to be, the rightful place that it's supposed to be. And if you look at us as a country, we have been very consistent, and that alone we just need to follow suit and allow the president's vision to really come to fruition.
What is the government doing to pose stiffer penalties to those who litter the environment?
No, for us from the Ministry of ICT, now speaking in my capacity as the Minister of ICT, we are happy that we've already started putting traffic monitoring systems, and these traffic monitoring systems are also going to assist us in also finding any people that are going to throw any litter away. It's a way that we can, for us to be able to know there is a vehicle there, at least be able to come up with stringent penalties. That is now upon the Minister of Environment to be able to work together with the Minister of Justice and find ways that we can, for us to be very strict when it comes to having stiffer penalties around that. This is just a proposal that I have, but I'm thinking it's important that we continuously have more stiffer penalties. Let's make sure that this will have a system in place to monitor what a person is going to do. If one is going to throw litter, then we can be able to know this is a truck that is ready, and that way that will assist us.